In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with essential strategies for leveraging LinkedIn to generate more leads. When used effectively, LinkedIn is a great prospecting and lead generating tool for businesses. With the right system and strategies, you can create quality leads for your business using the top professional networking platform online. Here are 5 key strategies for leveraging LinkedIn to generate leads for your business. Maintain a quality profile. Your profile on LinkedIn is your digital business card and interactive resume. It is typically the first place that new businesses will go to research and connect with a new prospect. It is essential that your LinkedIn profile contains a quality headshot and compelling headline, your experience and education, and a background image. Publish quality content. It is vital that you strategically consider the kind of content you post on LinkedIn. You want to make sure you use a mix of curated and organic material that is relevant to your target audience. Don't post anything that will detract from the professional image that you are trying to establish. Be sociable. LinkedIn is a professional social network, so if you want to generate more leads, then you need to be sociable and connect with other people. You need to be genuine in your communication with others and be sure to avoid using the default LinkedIn text. Leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you are serious about utilizing LinkedIn as a business tool, then you must upgrade to their Sales Navigator tool. This level of access will equip you with a myriad of tools to help you find, follow, and connect with key prospects. Develop a strategy and stick with it. One of the biggest mistakes you can make as a business professional with LinkedIn is not having a solid strategy to generate leads. Some of the most common mistakes are publishing poor content, helicoptering in and out, setting unrealistic expectations, and using the standard LinkedIn text. Having a solid strategy for connecting with prospects and getting them to convert to paying customers is essential if you want to utilize LinkedIn to generate more leads successfully. LinkedIn is just a tool that you can utilize to help your business grow. Your ability to manage it will directly impact the results you get. There is no shortcut or secret ingredient for generating more leads on LinkedIn. Like most of your efforts, it will take time and energy to leverage it to your advantage.